In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF using Microsoft Edge. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're ready to seamlessly print your PDFs with just a few clicks. First off, you'll want to locate the PDF file you need to print on your computer. Take a moment to navigate through your folders until you find it. Once you've got it in front of you, move on to the next step. Right-click on the file with your mouse or trackpad. This action will bring up a context menu with various options. From the menu that appears, hover over or click on the option that says Open With. This will present you with a list of available programs. Look for Microsoft Edge and select it. By doing this, you're instructing your computer to open the document using Microsoft Edge's built-in PDF viewer. You'll notice that Edge has a number of handy features designed to make your viewing experience better, one of which is its ability to print directly from the viewer. Now we're going to access the print menu. There are three different ways to open it. You can use a keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl+P. If you prefer using the mouse, simply right click anywhere on the PDF document and select print from the context menu. Alternatively, you can click on the printer icon located at the top right corner of the PDF toolbar within Edge. With the print dialog now open, you'll see several options to customize your print job. Start by selecting the printer. If you're targeting a particular printer, click on the drop-down menu to find and choose it. If instead you aim to save another digital copy of your PDF, select Save as PDF in the printer list. Next is deciding which pages you want to print. You have the option to print all pages, print only the current page you're viewing, or specify a range of pages if you only need certain parts of the document. It's simply a matter of entering your desired page numbers. Before hitting print, consider how you want your pages to be laid out. You can choose between portrait or landscape orientation, depending on what best suits your document's content. Then make a call on printing in color or opting for black and white to save on ink. Another consideration is the scale or fit to page options. This feature lets you adjust the size of the content to ensure it matches the page dimensions, either by fitting within the page's boundary or filling it entirely. After all your selections have been made, take a second to review everything. Once confirmed, click the print button to send your document to the printer. And that's how you print a PDF using Microsoft Edge. With these steps, you should be able to handle any PDF printing task with ease. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy printing!